seen the AI so aggressive in all my life. Oh no! As some of you may know, I've been competing in the 2003 FX Racer career mode, and let's say my driving isn't the best, and I've had a fair share of crashes. Let's look at 5 of the worst in the first 6 rounds of the 2003 FX Racer career mode. Down the inside of him now. That turns to the outside and we spun it! We've made contact and we spun it. Hindtown Frenton's going to capitalise on it. Let's have another look at that incident then. As you can see, Antonio Bedonia is there on the inside. We do try to go for the racing line. We do collect him, and then the salver of Hindtown Frenton decides to capitalise on this incident with a double overtake. Third, Barry Keller second. Frenton and ourselves have contact. Raikkonen and Webber have come to the side of it as well. As you see in this incident, we are heading to the hairpin here in Abu Dhabi, and once again we hit Hindtown Frenton. He capitalised previously, but this time it's Kimi Raikkonen and Mark Webber, and also Olivier Panis as he attempts to go side by side with it down the main straight. Speed of the Renault just overpowering the Minardi. We had a huge impact there. That's going to be one of the biggest crashes we've had this season. I think it might be the biggest crash. As we have another look at it, we can see that Jos Verstappen is kind of slowed down by the Renault in front of him with Fernando Alonso, and we kind of ruined what was going to be a great weekend for the Minardi, as he was currently running in P9, which would be 2 points for the back running team. Never seen the AI so aggressive in all my life. There's Damata who's sort of forged his way through. So that was chaotic from the AI there. Ooh, he hit the wall and he spun it! And as you can see here, we first hit the wall there on the inside line, and then as we head into the hairpin, which is meant to be the slowest corner on the F1 calendar, we hit another wall. Somehow lose control and make contact there, as you can see, with Justin Wilson. We got some people slowing up and we have had a huge crash! Oh no! There were some people slowing up because they were struggling on their tyres. Oh no, we were 11! No! Let's have a look back at that biggest crash of the 2003 season so far. People are struggling on their tyre wear as Bedonia has to slow down to avoid further contact. We hit Antonio Bedonia, and as we turn around we also do hit Nick Highfield, a huge incident and its destination for us as we finish down in P11. This would also mark our first non-score of the 2003 season so far. So there you have it, from 5th to 1st, the top 5 worst crashes of the 2003 FX Racer season so far. And this video was made possible with Cinemaster, an amazing app that I have just discovered. It's fantastic for making videos like this. And if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and follow. And I'm up to 68 followers on TikTok, so let's get up to 75. Thank you very much.